Welcome back guys to India Hot Wheel Hunters, and today I am going to do an unboxing of a very rare collectible car. And these two models which we are seeing in front of us are just for reference purpose. I have my trusted yellow scale here and we'll be comparing the size of the model that I am going to unbox with these two models here. I have already done one unboxing in the past if you are familiar with the Instagram handle, and the model that I am going to unbox today is a very special model from the brand Takara Tomy, and it's a premium version, and the model is Nissan Skyline GTR V Spec 2. So let's talk about the packaging. uh, it's a very solid packaging, and there is a plastic coating over the actual box, so that is one thing which is very good. Actually this model is not from India. It has been brought over from uh, the foreign country, so there are no markers about the price here, and I don't even know what the actual price in Indian rupees is, but I can imagine it to be somewhere in the range of 1200 to 1400 Indian rupees. So the front here we can see the model number 11. Again, we can see here the special features are that the doors can be opened, and again from the front we can see that it is not any generic car, it is a Tomica premium car. The full picture of the car here. On the bottom side we can see that it is a Nissan official license product, and everything is in foreign language here. Not much to be shown on the sides of the box. Again, the entire text here is in foreign language, and the barcode sticker is covering the entire text anyway. So let us go on. I'll just take this plastic covering off very carefully, and then we'll have a look at the car itself. So let us go. So basically this particular model is provided to me by my very dear friend. I'll be listing his profile down in the post. Do make sure that you check his profile out. And since this is a product that has been given to me by my friend, I am not going to take the entire covering off. Rather, I am just going to peel off enough covering so that I can open the box itself. So here we go, opening the box right now. And here we have, let's keep the box aside. There is some paperwork here, just go through it, and again it is entirely in foreign language, so I can only make out the website address, that is takaratomyfans.com, and a barcode. So let us keep this aside and just have a look at this beautiful model that we have here. Again, it comes in a very good packaging. The quality of this plastic bag is also so great that I can't really mention it, and you won't be able to judge the quality from the video, but it is quite thick and it is quite good. And here is the model. Wow, I am just loving it. I am just loving how detailed it is, and just look at the wheels, so detailed, very good. I love the color. I love what they have done with the hood here. Spoiler is not looking out of the place. It is just tremendously detailed. The tail lights, as and how it should be, we can clearly see that there is a GTR logo, Nissan logo, and the exhaust tips very clearly, very nicely presented. On the sides also we have a couple of painted regions with a small badge here and the indicator lighting. On the front we have plastic molded headlamps. On the center we have a GTR badge again, and the interior is also very detailed. I am not sure if I will be able to capture it in the video, but if you can make out from this particular angle, the interior is also quite detailed. So comparing it with the other Matchbox and Hot Wheels cars, it is almost the same length, a tad bit smaller, almost the same length as of the Hot Wheels and almost the same length that of the Matchbox, but the difference is evident. This one is a bit shorter and smaller. And now going to the crazy part, the openable doors. And boy, I'll tell you, the action of opening and closing these doors is so smooth that I can't really express how it is, but man, that is crisp. Look at this. Wow, just wow. Overall, I'll rate this model 10 out of 10, just because of the amazing details, the spoiler, the color, the overall proportions of the car are so good. The door opening and closing action is so good, and it is a proper model. It's on the costlier side, I'll agree to that, because this Matchbox model has some plastic elements and it is around 150 to 200 bucks, maybe costlier, maybe 400 bucks. This is a standard mainline Hot Wheels, it is like 120 bucks, but this reeks quality. The base is plastic, it is riveted on both the ends. The wheels are also plastic, no rubber coating, but the casting is solid and the rolling action is also very smooth. And by means of collection, this is a very good model. I'll just measure it with the scale here. So it is just below 3 inches and about 7 centimeters, whereas the Matchbox is perfectly 3 inches and about 7.5 centimeters, and the standard mainline Hot Wheels is again just shy of 3 inches and about 7.5 centimeters. So there's not much of a difference between the models, but boy, the quality of the GTR is awesome. A big thumbs up. So if you like what I am doing here, if you like the content on our Instagram handle, please be sure to follow us, share with us your collection, and do tell me if you want me to do more unboxings in the future. Until then, keep collecting, keep treasuring. Tada.